This is everything I ate at Pazook Tan Korean Grill in Falls Church. I've also actually never had Korean barbecue before, so I was really excited to try it out. We started off with picking 4 meats. We got beef tan steak, smoked pork belly, prime marinated kalbi, and then also giant rib kalbi. And then we also got some spicy seafood tofu stew, cold noodles, cheesy corn, all that good stuff. And I actually wasn't feeling well today, so eating this warm stew really warmed up my stomach and it felt so good. Also some steamed egg, and all the meats were so good, juicy and flavorful. Like, oh my gosh, like, do you see that? And then I dipped it in all these sauces. There was like soybean paste, and then this was the giant rib kalbi. It was so good, and everything was super filling. Me and my friend can both eat a lot, and we were both stuffed. And then for dessert we got some matcha bingsu as well as some vanilla ice cream, and that's it. Bye.